Minhas PPRC Pipes and Fittings. Minhas is engaged in manufacturing PPRC pipes and fittings since 2001. Dedication leads Minhas to be the pioneer in Pakistan for manufacturing all the components of PPRC pipes and fittings. To be benchmark company introducing innovative products. PPRC is hygienic and food grade. Does not react with water. Suitable for under hot and cold water supply. Resistant to chemical stability. Smooth internal surface of the pipes offers less friction. Less number of joints facilitates the speed and reduces chances of leakage. Average of life of years. Our product line.
Achievements of Minhas Pipes and Fittings. Throughout the years, Minhas has proved itself as a reliable company. It received many awards and certificates. Visit our website for more details. www.minhaspipes.com